Alright, guys, today we're taking a look at the BMW's answer to the Tesla Model S, the all-electric 2024 i5. Now, this slots in between the i4 and the i7, offering a kind of middle ground in terms of size and performance. But is it the sweet spot in the BMW EV lineup? Let's dive in and see. One thing BMW does well is quirky features, and the i5 is no exception. Check out this. Point out interesting features like cameras, hidden compartments, or new design elements. But enough about the outside. Let's get in and see what the i5 is all about on the inside. Interior. BMW's interiors are known for their luxury feel, and the i5 is no different. We've got a massive curved display that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system. It's super crisp and responsive, but some might find it overwhelming. Mention other interesting interior features like seats, steering wheel, or unique design choices. Alright, buckle up. The i5 comes in two flavors, the eDrive 40 with a rear-mounted electric motor and the M60 with a dual-motor setup for all-wheel drive. We're in the M60 today, and let me tell you, this thing scoots. 590 horsepower pushes you back in your seat, and the handling is surprisingly sharp for a big sedan. But what about range? Well, the eDrive 40 boasts up to 295 miles, while the M60 sacrifices a bit for performance, offering 240 miles. Still not bad, but definitely something to consider. The 2024 BMW i5 is a great option for someone who wants a luxurious, electric sedan with some serious performance chops. The interior is loaded with tech, and the driving experience is engaging. However, the price tag starts at $67,795 and climbs from there. So, it's definitely not for the budget-minded. But hey, if you're looking for a Tesla Model S rival with a Bavarian badge, the i5 is definitely worth a test drive. And hey, test driving one before April 30th gets you 25 trees planted through BMW's partnership with Scenic America. That's a win-win. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today on the 2024 BMW i5. Let me know what you guys think of this electric sedan down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching.